मैं ये बता रही हूँ कि the modern medicine treatment does not even bother to consider how we react to food and how strong and powerful it is, because it focuses primarily on medications and surgeries, and that's how healthcare has over the years, become. And I've been working for hospitals for 25 plus years now, and I know that in a hospital setting, people come in sick and expect a doctor to write a prescription or a medicine that will help them. And that's why this conversation always happens. People say it's health, it's good to eat good food, but they don't really do it in the right way.
So then, कैसे करना चाहिए? What should you do? Suppose you go to a doctor and you say वैसे ही जब कोई आम आदमी औरत जाते हैं डॉक्टर के पास, वो वैसे ही डरे रहते हैं, or if they're children, they are afraid. Nobody wants to, and the doctors don't have that much time.
So it's the system that's causing this to happen. So one of the things is कि अगर आप किसी डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, अगर आपका वजन बढ़ा है या शुगर बढ़ी है, ब्लड प्रेशर बढ़ा है या कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ा है, बेसिक कोई चीज़ गड़बड़ है, तो सबसे पहले आप दवा खाने से पहले अपने आप को 3 महीने का टाइम दें, वेर यू सिट डाउन एंड अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग टू योरसेल्फ, आपकी लाइफस्टाइल, आपकी स्लीप पैटर्न्स, आपके स्ट्रेस लेवल्स एंड लार्जली योर फूड। अगर आप इसको करेक्ट कर दें, द बॉडी कैन ऑलमोस्ट ट्रीट itself in 3 months until it's gone to a place where it's very bad. But if it's the beginning of any such condition, you have an opportunity to not jump onto a medication and use food and some other modalities of lifestyle to correct that. And this correction is completely possible. It's clinically researched and proven also.
So it is upon ourselves to also make these corrective measures of having the right kind of diet and also lifestyle changes. When you're saying that, so let's look at diabetes ko dekhte hain. What happens is that a lot of people go to a doctor and say, we've got these symptoms, ye symptoms ho rahe hain, I'm going urinating a lot, प्यास ज़्यादा लग रही है, whatever the symptoms of diabetes are, and then there is a test, और फिर टेस्ट कंफर्म करता है आपका डायबिटीज़ है, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स डॉक्टर आपको बोलेंगे अच्छा शुगर कम कर दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो. इज दैट द राइट वे टू गो अबाउट इट? बिकॉज इतने लोगों को डायबिटीज़ हो रही है.
I mean, 30% of India is now either pre-diabetic or diabetic, and many more numbers are insulin.
Define for us प्री डायबिटिक क्या होता है, क्योंकि कई बार इनफैक्ट रिसेंटली देयर इज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु केम बैक, और उनको डॉक्टर ने बोला यू आर प्री डायबिटिक, सो यू मस्ट प्रिकॉशन लो, आप ये करो वो करो. सो उसका क्या मतलब है?
Actually, diabetic होता है. Pre-diabetic is just a clinical number, which means if your HbA1c is below 6.4, they don't call it full-blown diabetes. They call it pre-diabetic. Does not mean you're not diabetic. You're just in the initial part, or you've just gotten to be diabetic. So therefore, you may not necessarily need a medication. You have a huge opportunity to get back to being normal and not diabetic from that. Pre-diabetic is a sort of a misleading word. It does not mean that you are not diabetic. You are diabetic.
तो अपने आप को दिलासा ना दें कि जी आप प्री डायबिटिक हैं, तो सब कुछ ठीक है.
शुगर और HbA1c तो बढ़ा होगा टेस्ट में भी, बट क्योंकि वो इतना नहीं बढ़ा है कि आपको मेडिकेशंस की ज़रूरत है, इसलिए उसको WHO प्री डायबिटिस बोलता है. और ये एक तरह से अपॉर्चुनिटी भी देता है लोगों को कि अगर आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान दें तो ये आप नॉर्मल की तरफ जा सकते हैं. सो प्रोग्रेशन नीड नॉट बी टुवर्ड्स डायबिटिस, इट कैन बी बैकवर्ड्स ऑल्सो.
This whole debate about good fat and bad fat, it has so many consequences. चाहे cholesterol हो, overweight issues हो, diabetes हो, वो आ ही जाता है उस narrative में जब आप अपनी blood reports check करते हैं.
पहले तो fat is good for you. That's one most important statement. 80% of my brain is fat. If I don't eat good fat, I'll have more neurological degeneration, more chances of getting Alzheimer's and dementia as I grow older. That's one part of it. So cooking in fat is not a good idea, but eating good fat is a good idea. And thinking that fat is going to increase cholesterol is again a very big myth. That's a conversation for later, because that's a lot of correlation there. But simply put, your liver makes cholesterol, 80% of it. Your dietary intake of fat is not going to change your cholesterol levels if your liver is clean. But if you have an unhealthy liver, your cholesterol levels will be high.
ऐसी ही दिलचस्प और महत्वपूर्ण हेल्थ इश्यूज के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करने के लिए देखते रहिए हेल्थ मंत्रा।